This is a stingray I made in my FACS class. I had help making it. It's a stingray. I wonder where my spider was I made in school. I hope the legs didn't fall off. I bet it did though, because they're not attached good. I thought I saw him, but it wasn't him. The ghost one. Piggy. Fur balls. I sleep with some fur balls. It has to be in here. I put it in here right when I got home, because I didn't want it ruined. This ninja guy. There's a rubber shark stuck back there. A noise one. Good thing I don't make it go at night, or these. Well, actually I made, this one's quiet so that one wouldn't wake me up. Where the heck is that spider? I made it, and I know I put it, oh, I bet it slipped down there. Oh, because there's already a little koala bear down there. We see a koala bear. Yeah, sure. A snake. They're all going down there. Down that. Oh yeah, there's lots of stuff down there already. Something else just went down, but it's not a stuffed animal. Uh-oh. Bye. A crawling hand.